Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture let's go ahead and look at error on a non-existence of an index. So here we'll go ahead and check out an error that can occur by non-existence of an index. That is, if you're checking some things like let's go ahead and create a variable of let's say x is equal to, let's check these lists, and let's say we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and so on. So we have just this, and it can be decimal point or anything, and let's go ahead and tell the user that t equal to terminate. So once you click on t, it will terminate the program. Okay, now let's go ahead and use a while loop and say while true. Okay, then we go ahead and say num is equal to input, and we'll go ahead and tell the user choose index to search. Okay, and if num is equivalent to t, then breakout. Okay, so if none is equivalent to t, go ahead and break out. Try, let this go back. Okay, so go ahead and try num equal to int, try num equal to int num. Okay, and then go ahead and print out the value. So print out x, the value of what is in that index. Okay, except if you have a value error. So there's a value error, maybe you input a string, go ahead and use print and go ahead and say only integers are allowed. Only integers are allowed. Okay, there might be an error again called index error. So if that is out of index, go ahead and print and say error and tell the user out of index, number out of index. So number out of index, and then you go ahead and print num. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So if we run this code and that says t is equal to terminate, choose index to search. This is index to search, not to search. Go ahead and run this code again. Let's check it out. And then if you go ahead and say I want to search index 4, and the value of index 4 is 5. Check it out, 0 1 2 3 4. All right, now go ahead and run this code again. Let's search index 6, and let's go ahead and see it is 7. Now let's go ahead and type in something like r instead of numbers. I says only integers are allowed. Okay, so choose index to search 5, and it printed out that for you 6. All right, so what if you go ahead and choose it to search index 20 that does not exist? Say error number out of index 20. So it is already out of index, so you need to input something that is within the index. Okay, that is what we need, and not just something that is out of index. So I believe that is really straightforward, and now you can go ahead and put that down on your system, play around with it, and try out more on that. And in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.